Row in unison, a key to teamwork and harmony. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, row in unison. This expression is not just about rowing boats, but it's a powerful metaphor for teamwork and cooperation. Let's explore its meaning and how it applies in various contexts. Stay tuned to learn how rowing in unison can make a significant difference in our lives. Row in unison literally refers to multiple people rowing a boat together in perfect harmony. Each rower's movements are synchronized with the others, creating a smooth, efficient motion. This action requires excellent communication, teamwork, and timing. When everyone rows in unison, the boat moves swiftly and gracefully across the water. Metaphorically, rowing in unison signifies working together seamlessly in any group or team setting. It's about aligning goals, efforts, and actions to achieve a common objective. Whether in a workplace, a sports team, or a community project, rowing in unison ensures that everyone's contributions are valued and effective. In teamwork, rowing in unison emphasizes the importance of cohesion and coordination. It shows that when individuals synchronize their efforts, they can overcome challenges more efficiently. This concept teaches us the value of listening to others, compromising when necessary, and moving forward together. Let's look at some real-life examples. 1. Sports teams, a basketball team passing the ball swiftly to score a basket. 2. Business projects, a project team in a company coordinating to meet a tight deadline. 3. Musical performances, an orchestra where every musician plays in sync to create a harmonious melody. In each case, the success lies in the ability to work cohesively as a unit. Row in unison is more than just a phrase. It's a vital lesson in teamwork and cooperation. Whether you're on a sports team, in a classroom, or part of a community, remember the power of moving together towards a common goal. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you appreciate the beauty and strength of rowing in unison in your daily life.